Hi there, it's Sandra here. I have a very quick video for you today. I'm going to start off by tracing my image, and I'm choosing a PNG that I drew. My trace window opens up. Now I've got several different options in Shortcut Slot. I can go for color layers, or I can go for single color, or I can go for monochrome. Now you might think, oh, I've got 2 layers in here of color, I want color layers. No, you don't. Color layers takes the color and it stacks them. So if you've got layer upon layer of color, you can cut it out for collage or that sort of stuff. But it's not designed to do the vinyl cutting or the piecework. You want to use single color. So we click on that. And if you notice, I've still got my blackout setting on because, well, I just have. I mean, I've got solid shapes in any case. But if I didn't have solid shapes, I wouldn't want my blackout on, but I have solid shapes regardless. And all I'm going to do is to click on this swatch here, and then you pick up the color that you want, and you go to update preview, and it shows you with a red line what you're going to be cutting out. So I can click on OK. But the important thing here is this section here which says to prompt to continue tracing. Check that box. Then you click OK. And it's going to say, do you want to continue tracing? Well, as it happens, I do because I haven't finished. So I go to the colour swatch, click on that, click on my new colour and update the preview to check what I'm going to get. Yep, that looks like it's giving me what I want. Click on OK. Do I want to continue tracing? No, I'm done. And there I have my flower all nicely traced and ready to go. All I have to do is to ungroup it, and then you can see that I have the flower head and I have the leaves and the stalk. Now, when it comes to cutting in Shortcut Slot, you've got some different options. I could use what you see is what you get because I am cutting different colours of card or vinyl. What I want to do is use the origin point, and that will put it at the bottom left, which is what I need for my Siser machine. I've got a choice whether to use the software speed and force, which I can set here. And I also have a choice of cutting the selection only. So if I've got this selected, and that selected, that's all that's going to cut. Cut that piece out, select this one, go to cutter, and it will cut that one out next time. So there it is. Nice and easy to do, no real work involved in that. And it's really, really handy if you have raster images that you want to use for your designs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care now.